Take a look at this little concoction we have here. 23% salt, the rest is water. Folks, this is brine, and real soon you'll be seeing it applied to our roads here in East Central Georgia.
You're doing it to give that extra chance of people getting home safe.
Josh Gay is ready for the 12-hour shifts.
You know what you got to do, you prepare for it. Like I said, just power through it and try to remember the positive things, the positive reasons of why you're doing this. And that's just, like I said, that's just to keep everybody in our state safe and help everybody to get home.
Gay is one of many highway maintenance technicians making brine right now. With winter weather potentially impacting our area on Friday, GDOT is getting ahead of the storm, making brine now.
It's going to decrease the freezing temperature of water. It's sort of like an anti-icing agent. It keeps the ice in like the stove from sticking.
To make it, take water and just add salt, a specific amount of salt. We have a computer that monitors the amount of salt in the mixture so we can make sure it's at that 23% that's needed. Hoses also run the mixture straight to our brine tanks, which trucks are getting ready to tap into.
I'd rather be prepared for it and it not happen than it happen and not be prepared for it. So yeah, we'll be here.
And of course, we'll continue to make some more of this brine mixture throughout the event. Trucks will be coming through here constantly to refill. Again, we're really ramping up operations starting tonight and especially Thursday morning, starting at 7 o'clock. We're going to be hitting major state routes, the interstates real hard, especially that area along and north of I-20. So if you see our crews out there, please be patient with them. I know they're going slow, 40 miles per hour, right? But that's the speed they need to go to successfully apply this brine solution. So please be patient with them. Give them at least 100 feet of following room. Another reason you don't want to follow close, if you're too close, that stuff's going to get on your car. You don't want that to happen. Please be patient with our crews. Give them space to work. And after the event has started, only drive if you absolutely need to. Be safe, everyone.